I choose to feel good about myself each day. Every morning, I remind myself that I can make the choice to feel good. This is a new habit for me to cultivate. I am always presented with new and wonderful opportunities. I flow with what is happening in the moment. I now accept and appreciate the abundant life the universe offers me. Love is the miracle cure. Loving myself works miracles in my life. Changes can begin in this moment. I am willing to change. I am pleased with all that I do. I am good enough just as I am. It is my birthright to live fully and freely. I allow my income to constantly expand and I always live in comfort and joy. I recognize my body as a good friend. I am the creative power in my world. I express myself creatively as much as possible. Good now flows into my life from expected and unexpected channels. My heart is open. I am willing to release all resistance. I have the perfect living space. It is safe and filled with loving thoughts. I am one with the power and wisdom of the universe. I have all that I need. I am unlimited in my own ability to create the good in my life. I breathe freely and fully. Breath is the basis of life. I have many dreams and I know that I deserve to have these dreams come true. My joyful thoughts create my joyful world. I have my own set of talents and abilities. I now release anger in positive ways. I love and appreciate myself. I keep my thoughts centered on what I wish to experience. I am equally blessed with love, harmony, and joy. I take in life in perfect balance. The ocean of life is lavish with its abundance. Golden opportunities are everywhere. I see clearly. I now create a life I love to look at. I allow my love to flow freely. My supply of love is endless. I feed my body nourishing foods and beverages, and I exercise in ways that are fun. I love life. I am glad to be alive. I am willing to release the need to be unworthy. I am now becoming all that I am destined to be. I feel good about everyone I meet. All my relationships are healthy and nourishing. I forgive myself and set myself free. I feel tolerance, compassion, and love for all people, myself included. It is safe for me to go beyond my parents' limitations. I am free to be me. I only speak words that are loving, positive, and constructive. I release all struggle now and I am at peace. Life created me to be fulfilled. I now realize all expectations and I know that I am taken care of. No person, place, or thing has any power over me, for I am the only thinker in my mind. Every experience I have benefits me. I am in the process of positive change. My body represents perfection. I am vibrantly healthy. I rise above all limitations. I am divinely guided and inspired. I am mentally, emotionally equipped to enjoy a loving, prosperous life. I am deeply fulfilled by all that I do. I am joyous today. Humor and fun contribute to my total well being. Life brings me only good experiences. I am open to new and wonderful changes. I am always able to make the correct decision. I recognize my own intuitive ability. My heart is opening wider and wider. Love flows from me and to me in ever increasing amounts. I feel great. People love being around me. I rejoice in others' success, knowing that there is plenty for us all. Miracle flows, miracle in my life. I accept miraculous occurrences in my life and in my world. I release any limitations based on old negative thoughts. I joyfully look forward to the future. I always have wonderful, harmonious relationships. The person I am looking for is now looking for me. Within myself, I see a loving, beautiful being. It is safe for me to look within. My life continues to get better and better. I now move into my greater good. I am the president of my own world and I act with honor and integrity in all that I do. We are all family and the planet is our home. I focus on positive thoughts because the thoughts I think and the words I speak create my experiences. I am joyously exuberant and in harmony with all of life. I now choose to release every negative, destructive, fearful idea and thought from my mind and my life. I use my power wisely. I am strong and I am safe. All is well. Life supports me every step of the way. I am fed, clothed, housed, and loved in all ways that are deeply fulfilling me. I am worth loving. There is love all around me. I radiate health, happiness, prosperity, and peace of mind. I move beyond old limitations and now express myself freely and creatively. I trust my higher self. I listen with love to my inner voice. I open myself to the wisdom within, knowing that there is only one intelligence in this universe. When I listen to my inner self, I find the answer I need. It is healing to show my emotions. It is safe for me to be vulnerable. I open my consciousness to all the wonderful possibilities of life. I am safe in the world. I am comfortable with change and growth. Whatever I need to know is revealed to me at exactly the right time. I see myself as a magnificent being who is wise and beautiful. I love what I see in me. I recognize my body as a wondrous machine and I feel privileged to live in it. When I really love myself, everything in my life works. I am in charge. I take my own power back. I am good enough just as I am. I approve of myself at all times. I relax and recognize my self-worth. I travel safely wherever I go. I always meet loving, helpful people on my journey. I give myself the green light to go ahead and to joyously embrace the new. The people in my life are really mirrors of me. My world is safe and friendly. Today is my stepping stone to new awareness and greater glory. Freedom and change are in the air. I discard old ideas. I am good enough. Life is easy and joyous. My body takes me everywhere easily and effortlessly. I surround myself with loving people who only sees the good in me. I breathe life into my vision and create the world I desire. My life is joyously balanced with work and play. Divine intelligence gives me all the ideas I can use. I feel reborn. I am free from the past and I joyously welcome the new. I see the best in everyone and help them bring out their most joyous qualities. I have compassion for my parents' childhoods. I now know I choose them because they were perfect for what I had to experience and understand. I am created to succeed and I now give thanks for my success. The more I help others, the more I prosper and grow. In my world, everybody wins. I am always on time, which is a way of showing respect to those in my life. I speak up for myself. I claim my power now. I love myself exactly the way I am. I am able to freely express my emotions at all times. My body mirrors my state of mind. I am healthy, whole, and complete. I keep my thoughts positive. Life brings me the good experiences I deserve. I am unlimited in my ability to create good in my life. I am lovable because I exist. My uniquely creative talents and abilities flow through me and are expressed in deeply satisfying ways. I am safe where I am. I create my own security. I am in the right place at the right time, doing the right thing. Every experience in my life is an opportunity for growth. I allow the love from my heart to wash through me and cleanse and heal every part of my body and emotions. I am grateful to others for the kindness they show me. I am filled with praise and gratitude. I open my consciousness to the expansion of life. There is plenty of space for me to grow and change. Everything I touch is a success. I draw prosperity of every kind to me. All my relationships are harmonious. I see only harmony around me at all times. Every decision I make is the right one for me. I love who I am and what I do. The past is over and cannot be changed. This is the only moment I can experience. I am at peace with the elements of nature. There is no good or bad weather. I can choose my individual reaction to it. I stand in truth and live and move in joy. I create miracles in my wonderful world. I am open to the wonders of the universe. I trust myself and I trust life to support and protect me. I earn an excellent income doing what satisfies me. I know I can be as successful as I make up my mind to be. I am willing to see how and where I need to change. Today, I do a mental house cleaning, making room for new positive thoughts. I am a divine, magnificent expression of life. Love surrounds and protects me. I release the need to blame anyone, including myself. I am one with the very power that created me. I give thanks for everything that is lovingly supplied to me. I now take care of my body, my mind, and my emotions. I feel good. I constantly find new ways of looking at my world. I see beauty everywhere. I bless and prosper others, and they in return bless and prosper me. I envision a world of peace and plenty. I feel harmony and unity between nations, and I contribute to that harmony. There is enough time and space for everything I want to do. Loving people fill my life, and I find myself easily expressing love to others. Loving people fill my life, and I find myself easily expressing love to others. I express gratitude to my own mother and to all the mothers in the world who give their children love. I love my family and my home. I feel nurtured, warm, and safe. I trust life to be wonderful. I see only good ahead of me. I open my consciousness to the expansion of life. there is plenty of space for me to grow and change. I give to life exactly what I want life to give to me. I say out to every negative thought that comes into my life. I experience life as a joyous dance. My body is ideal for me in this lifetime. I release the pattern of procrastination within me. I act with speed and resolve. I look terrifying and feel terrific. Here I am, world open and receptive to all good. I release any feelings of competition or comparison. I simply do my best and enjoy being me. All that I need to know at any given moment is revealed to me. My intuition is always on my side. I ask for what I want. I know that whatever I need will always be there for me. I trust in the power that created me to protect me at all times and under all circumstances. I joyfully help wherever I can, easing the load of others. I rise above all limitations. I am divinely guided and inspired. I am special and wonderful. The more I love myself, the less stress I have. I am patient, tolerant, and diplomatic. I expect my life to be good and joyous, and it is. I ask for more understanding so that I may knowingly and lovingly shape my world and my experiences. I see abundance radiating all around me. I now live in limitless love, light, and joy. Every change in my life can lift me to a new level of understanding. I create new memories filled with peace, goodwill, and compassion for others. When I find harmony and balance in my mind, I find it in my life. I now choose to recognize the magnificence of my being. I respect others for being different but not wrong. We are all one. I am led to fulfilling experiences. I create a life filled with rewards. I am very well organized. Life is simple and easy. It is always easy for me to adapt and change. I am flexible and flowing. What I give out, I get back. I give out only goodness, and in turn, only goodness comes back to me. I am willing to learn to love myself. I break new ground and begin exciting new ventures. I feel safe in the rhythm and flow of ever-changing life. The past has no power over me. I know that it is over, and I love solely in the present. I see my patterns and make changes without embarrassments and guilt. I cross all bridges with joy and ease. I experience love wherever I go. Loving people fill my life, and I find myself easily expressing love to others. I am at peace with my sexuality. I embrace myself with love and compassion. I trust the process of life to bring me my highest good. I recognize that awareness is the first step in healing or changing. I become more aware with each passing day. My thoughts are creative. I constantly have new insights and new ways of looking at my world. The answers within me come to my awareness with ease. I respect my father for his love and his good judgment and for just being who he is. I know that the point of power is always in the present moment. I am willing to grow and change. Every moment presents a wonderful new opportunity to become more of who I am. I am totally adequate at all times. I accept myself and create peace in my mind and heart. No job is beneath me or above me. If something needs doing, I do it. I take full responsibility for every aspect of my life. I love my body. Every year I feel more relaxed and more attractive. I deserve the best and I accept it now. All my needs and desires are met before I even ask. I express my creativity openly and freely. I am willing to release the pattern in me that is creating any negative condition in my life. All that I deserve, I receive. I am fulfilled in all areas of my life. I am my best friend. I love what I see in me. I allow change to occur without resistance or fear. I am free. I am perfect just as I am. I give myself permission to be all that I can be. And I deserve the very best in my life. I am totally free to choose thoughts of joy. It is my divine right to do so. I embrace my entire being with love and compassion. I love who I am and reward myself with thoughts of praise. I release the need to blame anyone. I accept the people around me as they are. This is a new day. I am a new me. Everything in my life happens in the perfect space-time sequence. Abundance is drawn to my every action. I am a magnet for divine prosperity. I turn every experience into an opportunity. It is safe for me to be flexible enough to see others' viewpoints. I have the divine right to be fulfilled in all areas of life. I am worthy of success. I easily flow with new experiences and new opportunities. I easily and comfortably release that which I no longer need. I am totally and completely supported by the universe. I am totally and completely supported by the universe. My body uses relaxation as a time to repair and regenerate itself. The more I relax, the healthier I am. I speak up for myself with ease. I am intelligent and powerful. Every experience I have leads me to a greater understanding of my purpose on earth. My income is constantly increasing. Every problem has a solution. Learning is easy and fun for me. I am willing to grow up and deal with my feelings. Other people respect me because I respect myself. Only that which I no longer need lives my life. Everything that surrounds me serves a purpose. I look forward with enthusiasm to the adventures of the day. I expect life to be safe and joyous. I attract all that is good. My heart is open. I speak with loving words. I rejoice in what I have, and I know that fresh, new experiences are always ahead of me. I have unlimited choices about what I can think. My mind feels free and light. I am now willing to see my own beauty and magnificence. I am totally adequate for all situations. I now choose to support myself in loving, joyous ways. I listen with love to my body's messages. My body is the picture of total health. I laugh at life and at myself and choose not to be offended by anyone or anything. I handle all my experiences with wisdom, love, and ease. I am open and receptive to new avenues of income. I am enthusiastic about life. I am filled with energy and optimism. Every moment presents a wonderful new opportunity to become more of who I am. I now choose to release all hurt and resentment. I see only harmony around me at all times. I am always safe and secure. I experience love wherever I go. Compliments or gifts of prosperity, I accept them graciously. I am at home in my body. I think positive thoughts because every cell within my body responds to every thought I think and every word I speak. I look within to find my treasures. I am aware that what I do not want to change is exactly what I need to change the most. Whatever I am guided to do will be a success. Everyone changes and I allow change in everyone. I accept myself and create peace in my mind and heart. Today is a wonderful day. I choose to make it so. I accept perfect health as my natural state of being. My understanding is clear and I am willing to change with the times. I take brisk walks in the sunshine to invigorate. I take brisk walks in the sunshine to invigorate my body and soul. My body wants to be active and healthy. Exercise is fun for me. I am free to think wonderful thoughts. I am in control of my mind.